Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Omkar Singh. Okay, I was hearing from lots of people about a tool called Google Sniper 2.0, and I was really very shocked by the claims of people. They are saying that they are making thousands of dollars per day using the same system. Okay, so I already told that I was on shock, and I'm an ordinary boy, and it was difficult for me to believe in this facts. Okay, so what I did, I went to their website and I was checking out just that what is involved in it. Okay, and there I find that at that time they were giving an offer of 60-day no question asked money back guarantee. So what I did, I just go ahead and buy it because I talked to myself, and I thought that there is nothing to lose. It's a win-win choice. If it will work for me, it's fine, or it will not, I will return it under 60 days. Okay, so after buying Google Snapper 2.0, I found out that it is an automated system which makes you money online through affiliate marketing. Okay, there are many people on the internet. They're thinking as that they need to have their own product, or they need to know any kind of programming or a marketing skill. Okay, but it's not like that, and Google Snapper is a good example for that. Okay, so on my first day of with Google Snapper, my whole day I was just watching the step-by-step videos by George Brown, the creator of Google Snapper, and I was just reading the step-by-step PDFs. Okay, so that I can understand it properly. And it took me around 3 hours, 3 or 3.5 hours to set up all the campaigns. Okay, and man, this is a cool thing about Google Snapper. You just have to set up it once and then forget it. It will make you money every day without doing anything. Okay, so I just set up it all. It just take me 3 hours on my first day, and after that I think I'm just seeing the results and I'm not doing anything else. Okay, so the $1 million question now, how much I earned. Okay, so after setting it up for 2 days, I have earned nothing, and on third day I have made my first sell on as affiliate marketer and earned $57. Okay, and on second day I made $114, and another day I made four sales, and man, I was shocked. And like this, in a week I made more than $1,000. Actually, I'm not able to figure it out what was the actual exact amount, but it might be more than $1,000. And this is uh, man, this is a really great result, and I wasn't accepted this result. Okay, man, I was totally shocked. I must say that this is a must buy product, and if you want to make some money online, this is a great choice. Okay, uh, I think the 60-day no question asked money back guarantee is still there in the system. So if you want to make money, but if you are in doubt that it might be scam or what, so go ahead, take benefit of that offer. I'm pretty sure that you will also earn some money because I have experienced it. Okay, and if I can make it, why don't you? So what you need to do now, just go now, click the link below in the description. Okay, and buy now Google Sniper. I'm telling you, this is a great tool, and I'm making money every day. And I know this is not $1,000 per day, but it's a pretty good. I'm getting good results. It's around 300 to $400 per day, and I'm happy with that. So I think this is good start. Go ahead and buy Google Sniper. Click the link below the description. Thank you.